In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode for Zillow Desktop 2026 guide. If you've ever searched for homes late at night and felt that bright white interface straining your eyes, this guide is for you. Zillow doesn't offer a built-in dark theme, so the simplest and most reliable solution is to use a trusted browser extension that restyles web pages. Two of the best options are Night Eye and Dark Reader. They're widely used across Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari, and they work by intelligently inverting backgrounds while keeping text crisp and images clear, so listings, maps, and photos still look natural. Start by installing your chosen tool from your browser's extension marketplace. Open the Chrome Web Store, Firefox add-ons, Microsoft Edge add-ons, or the Safari App Store. Then search for Dark Reader or Night Eye. Check the ratings and recent reviews to confirm you're getting the official version and click to install. Your browser will prompt you to grant permissions so the extension can modify how pages are displayed. That access is necessary to apply a dark theme, and you can adjust its scope later with per-site controls. Once installed, open a new tab and head to Zillow.com. In your browser toolbar, click the extensions icon, locate your extension, and turn it on for Zillow. Most of the time, the interface will switch instantly. If it doesn't, give the page a quick refresh to load the new style sheet. You should see menus, side panels, and search results adopt darker tones while text remains readable. From here, fine-tune the look so property photos and maps stay accurate. Open the extensions panel and adjust brightness and contrast to ease glare without making images muddy. Try different processing modes. Many people prefer Dynamic or Filter Plus because they're optimized to keep real estate media looking lifelike while darkening the UI. If listing photos seem too dim, reduce the dimming or increase brightness specifically for media until the images pop again. It can help to test on both a listing page and the main map view to find a balanced setting. Finally, manage where and how dark mode applies. Use the extensions site list to enable dark mode on Zillow and any other sites you choose, while leaving pages that work better in light mode untouched. If you notice sluggish scrolling on heavy map views, switch to a lighter processing mode within the extension to reduce CPU usage and keep everything smooth. And that's it. With a few quick tweaks, you can make Zillow much easier on the eyes during those long search sessions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.